Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. We're diving into a really fascinating source today that lays out a complete 7-step blueprint for building a highly profitable YouTube channel from absolute scratch. If you've ever felt completely overwhelmed by the whole idea of content creation, well, you're definitely in the right place. We're going to break down how to actually pull this off without any expensive gear, without prior experience, and honestly without even needing to show your face or talk into a microphone. Okay, let's kick things off with a pretty jarring statistic from the source. 99%. Yep, 99% of creators actually quit before making their first $100. Now, it's super easy to assume they quit because they're just inherently bad at making content, or maybe they think the algorithm is somehow out to get them. But the reality? It's entirely different. They quit because they simply lack a clear, repeatable system. You see, the algorithm literally just wants to find the right audience for your content. But if you don't give it a system to figure out who to show your work to, well, nobody sees it. Now, before we even start building this channel, the source totally shatters 3 massive myths that hold so many potential creators back. First is the fear of showing your face. Faceless channels are actually exploding right now, so that's not a deal breaker at all. Second is fighting the algorithm, which we just touched on. And third, the myth that you need professional, super expensive gear. The source points out that the smartphone you probably have in your pocket right now shoots better video than professional cameras did just a decade ago. Combine that with a simple $25 lapel mic, and you've instantly got broadcast quality audio. So to move past these mental blocks and actually beat those odds, we are going to break down the core phases of this blueprint. We'll be looking at niche and setup, AI content creation, SEO and launch plan, getting your first 1,000 subscribers, and finally, the $10,000 monetization system. Let's start with Section 1, Niche and Setup. This is the absolute foundation for your profit. So all niches are definitely not created equal. There's a massive gap when you look at the earning potential. For example, a finance channel has a CPM, which is the money you earn per 1,000 views, of anywhere between $12 and $22. Meanwhile, a standard entertainment channel is making just $2 to $4. Think about that for a second. That means you could literally be earning up to 5 times more money for the exact same amount of work simply by choosing a highly profitable niche like personal finance, AI tools, or tech reviews right out of the gate. But how do you actually know if your idea is good enough? Well, the source strictly recommends validating your channel idea using their 3-axis framework. You essentially score your idea from 1 to 10 on 3 distinct things: passion, profit, and proof of concept. Add those up to get a score out of 30, and the source issues a really strong warning here. If your combined score falls below 21 out of 30, you need to pivot immediately. Do that before you invest a single hour of your time. Once you've got that niche firmly locked in, it's time for the channel setup. According to the blueprint, your channel name shouldn't just be your own personal name. It actually needs to include a primary keyword. Something like AI money, for instance. On top of that, the first 3 lines of your channel description absolutely must contain those keywords and state super clearly who you're helping, because YouTube search indexes that text directly. Pair all of that with a high-contrast 800 by 800 pixel logo that stays perfectly readable even when it's shrunk way down on mobile screens. Moving right along to Section 2, AI-driven content creation. This is how you create without ever showing your face. This step-by-step AI workflow is honestly incredible. It's so efficient. You start out with ChatGPT to write the script, which takes maybe 15 minutes. Then you jump over to 11 Labs to generate a really natural-sounding voiceover in about 5 minutes. Though the source does note you have to use specific settings there, like speaker boost, to avoid sounding robotic. Next up, drop that audio into InVideo AI to compile your stock footage and background video. That takes around 30 minutes. Finally, you use CapCut for auto captions. And the source stresses this point heavily. Captions are absolutely non-negotiable, considering 85% of mobile viewers are watching without sound. All in, this entire workflow takes just 60 minutes and costs under $3 a video. Crazy, right? All right, Section 3, SEO and launch plan. Getting your content discovered. Right, so for YouTube SEO, search engine optimization, the absolute crucial point is front-loading your data. You have to place your primary keyword within the first 60 characters of your video title and also within the first 125 characters of your description. For the visual side of things, your thumbnail needs exactly 4 specific focal points. But most importantly, you have to dedicate a massive 60% of the thumbnail's visual weight strictly to the primary subject. That is what actually grabs a viewer's attention and gets them to stop scrolling. Going from a raw idea to a live channel can definitely feel like a lot, so the source gives us a highly specific 30-day launch plan to keep you on track. It paces everything out chronologically. Week 1 is strictly for setting up and researching your first 20 ideas. Week 2 is completely dedicated to production and editing. Week 3 is when you finally hit publish and optimize all your tags. And week 4, that is entirely about promoting your newly published videos across your social media and actually engaging with your new audience. Now for section 4, getting your first 1,000 subscribers. This is where you prove your concept. To accelerate your growth past that brutal initial slump, the blueprint suggests 3 really powerful methods. First, use grouped playlists to string your videos together by topic. This naturally autoplays related content and can actually increase your viewer session time by up to 45%. Second, actively add end screens. These are those clickable video links that pop up in the final seconds of your video, pointing viewers to your best content. Doing that alone can literally triple your subscriber rate. Finally, upload a highly targeted channel trailer, keeping it under 90 seconds, to tell new visitors exactly why they need to hit that subscribe button right now. And now, Section 5, the $10,000 monetization system. Time to scale your revenue. So, around month 12, the ultimate goal of the blueprint really shifts. If you're only relying on AdSense, which, remember, requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours just to unlock, you are leaving a massive amount of money on the table. Just look at this breakdown. Out of a $10,000 monthly income, AdSense is only bringing in $1,200. The real power here comes from combining diverse revenue streams. You've got $2,800 from affiliate marketing, which, by the way, you can start from video number 1. You have $2,000 from brand deals. And crucially, the absolute biggest slice is $4,000 from highly passive digital products, things like ebooks or templates. You create those once, and you sell them forever to your algorithm-proof email list. Now, before setting you loose on this blueprint, the source really grounds us with 5 common creator traps you have to avoid. These will absolutely kill your channel if you aren't careful. We're talking about things like forgetting to use retention bridges, those little phrases that keep people watching, or relying on bad, low-effort thumbnails, failing to include a clear call to action, or losing your unique competitive advantage just by simply copying what everyone else is doing. And of course, the biggest trap of all, quitting before you even reach your 50th video. Which brings us to our final takeaway, and a really profound mindset shift straight from the source. Your first 50 videos are tuition. Pay them without complaint. Creating content is a totally new skill, and you are learning it in real time. So what is your biggest takeaway from today's explainer? Really think about it. How many of your own tuition videos have you paid for so far? And more importantly, are you going to stick to this system long enough to see your ultimate breakthrough? Start your journey today, and whatever you do, don't quit before you succeed. Thanks so much for joining me to walk through this blueprint. I'll see you next time.